Turkey's STM has secured a second international export contract for its KARGU rotary-wing loitering munition equipped with a new armor-piercing warhead, highlighting expanding global interest in this versatile tactical drone. Initially developed as an anti-personnel weapon, the KARGU's upgraded payload expands its operational scope, signaling Turkey's growing influence in the unmanned aerial vehicle (UAV) export sector. The KARGU system is a lightweight, man-portable rotary-wing loitering munition engineered for precision strikes on both stationary and moving targets. Weighing approximately 7 kilograms, it can be launched swiftly by a single operator within a minute. Its flight endurance exceeds 30 minutes, with an operational range reaching up to 10 kilometers. The drone incorporates electro-optical and infrared sensors alongside AI-driven target recognition and is capable of coordinated swarm attacks under the KARGU initiative. The recent integration of an armor-piercing warhead significantly enhances its ability to neutralize lightly armored vehicles and hardened positions, complementing its stealthy flight characteristics and pinpoint strike accuracy. Development of KARGU began in the mid-2010s, with Turkey's armed forces adopting the platform as early as 2018. Originally deployed in counter-terrorism and border security operations, the system was first showcased internationally in 2021. The armor-piercing variant became operational after extensive research and field testing concluded in 2024, culminating in the first overseas sale. The newest contract involves an existing KARGU user expanding its arsenal, reinforcing trust in the drone's modular weapon system and battlefield versatility. When compared to similar loitering munitions like the U.S. AeroVironment Switchblade 600 or Russia's Lancet drone, KARGU distinguishes itself with its rotary wing design that allows vertical takeoff and landing, VTOL, and payload modularity. Although the Switchblade offers a longer operational range and a heavier warhead, KARGU's portability and rapid tactical deployment make it especially suited for challenging environments such as urban centers and rugged terrain. Its developing swarm functionality also offers strategic advantages over single drone platforms, potentially redefining force multiplication on the battlefield. Turkey's expanding export footprint for KARGU underscores a strategic goal to become a leading provider of affordable, cutting-edge unmanned systems for both NATO countries and other international partners. The drone's adaptable design, capable of switching between anti-personnel and anti-armor roles, makes it particularly valuable in modern hybrid warfare, ranging from counterinsurgency to conventional military conflicts. This success exemplifies Turkey's growing prowess in indigenous defense technology, influencing the global UAV landscape where cost efficiency and tactical flexibility are increasingly prioritized. Although STM has kept the financial details of the new contract confidential, the KARGU program has attracted interest from over 10 nations spanning 3 continents, signaling strong export momentum. The initial sale of the armor-piercing model took place only months ago, and ongoing talks with additional prospective buyers indicate the potential for continued expansion. By marketing KARGU as a scalable and customizable platform, STM aims to appeal to defense buyers seeking versatile, budget-conscious loitering munitions with wide-ranging operational applications. This second export deal not only cements KARGU's effectiveness in combat scenarios but also confirms Turkey's growing stature as a formidable player in the global tactical UAV industry. As modular loitering munitions become increasingly prevalent worldwide, KARGU's blend of proven performance, flexible deployment, and homegrown innovation continues to shape the future of drone warfare.